And as you can see right here, this website will pay you to PayPal, Payeer, WebMoney, Payoneer, and most of these other payment processors. But what is most important, it can also pay you out in crypto. And some of you guys have been actually asking about this down in the comments. You've been asking me to do a method that pays out in crypto, and this is it. What's going on, guys? It's Andy here, and in today's video I've got a brand new, never seen before method for you that you can use to make around $1 per 1 minute just by listening to music. Now in this video I'm going to show you a step-by-step tutorial how to set this up, and once you're going to set this up, this will work for you on complete autopilot, so you just can go ahead and forget about this completely, and it still will be making you money. Oh, and the best part about this is that will pay you out in crypto as well. By the way, guys, I have a huge announcement to make. I'm launching my first one-on-one coaching program, and I'm opening it up for my viewers out there. So if you're interested in learning how you can make over $5,000 per month with affiliate marketing completely without showing your face, just go to the first link in the video description and you will find a video introduction there. Just go ahead and follow the video instructions, and I hope to see you there. Okay, guys, so in today's video I'm going to show you how to use this website that will pay you out to all these different platforms, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, and USDT. But before I show you this website, I'm going to show you how to actually get paid first on this website. And for that, what you need to do is go to Canva, and you want to go to the search bar and type in there something like music posters, hit search on that, and what you want to do is pick one of these platforms. Now if you have Canva Pro, you can choose anyone out there. You need to choose a template that's completely free, and for that what you want to do is just watch out for this sign that's in the bottom right corner that says this template is paid, and you want to stay away from those. You want to select one that's going to be completely free, and for example this one is going to work very well, so I'm just going to open it up, and now we need to customize it. For that, just simply click on, and Canva is going to open up in this editor. Now pretty much what you need to do here, just a couple of things. First of all, you want to get rid of all the branding that you could find there. Just go ahead and delete every text that says something like festival tickets or website, because we are going to be using this poster to promote free viral music. So what you want to do is just get rid of all this text right here, and this, what's remaining, you want to customize it to something like free, and this part I'm going to rename into viral, and the last part I'm going to rename into music, just like that. Now I'm going to just position this and make it a little bit more larger, so it's going to look something like this, for example. Then what you want to do is go to this bottom section, and you want to retype this into something like, click here to download the latest viral music for TikTok, YouTube, Instagram. Then what you want to do is go down to this button, and you want to customize it so it will become something like a clickable button. So for that, just delete this text right here, we'll not be needing it, and also go ahead and delete this part if you're going to be using this exact template. Then just position this text right in the middle, and what you want to type in there is download here. Pretty much it's going to look something like this, and what you want to do to make it a little bit more enticing, you want to add some icons of the platforms that you have mentioned here. To do that, just simply go to this website right here that's called flaticon.com. Just go to this website, and here you can download simply PNGs of icons that you can use for many various projects. For example, I'm going to type in there TikTok, hit enter, and you can see you've got all these icons of TikTok logo to download. So pretty much I'm just going to choose one, let's go with this one, and click on download as PNG, click on free download, and save it to your computer. And then what you want to do is just go ahead and search for the other platforms as well. For example, I went with Instagram. I'm going to download one for Instagram as well, and also search for YouTube icon and download that one to your computer as well. Once you do that, pretty much what you want to do is go back to Canva, upload all of these icons to this poster. Pretty much what you need to do is just drag them from the download bar or from the download folder to the canvas, and it's going to get uploaded automatically. And what you want to do is position them on this poster so they are going to entice people to click on the download image. For that reason, I'm just going to place, for example, TikTok right here, and also I'm going to go to this opacity button and make the transparency like 74, so it's not going to be standing out pretty much, but it's going to look like it's a part of the poster. You want to make this look as professional as possible and make it look like a legitimate poster. It actually is, because we are going to provide free viral music for download, but we need to make it more as enticing as possible. So I'm just going to upload the rest of these icons. I'm going to position them all over this poster, something like this, for example. Then just go back to the opacity button and lower it to 70, like that. And also with the YouTube icon, I'm going to place it right here, resize it, and change the opacity to, let's go with 56, because this one's a bit more bright, something like this. Pretty much this is how I want my poster to look like. So if you're happy with what you've created, what you want to do is just simply click on share and download it to your computer as a PNG, or you can just download it as a JPEG. That really doesn't matter. All you need to do is just make sure that it's going to look professional, something like this. Then just click on download, then grab this poster, and the next thing you want to do is go to Google Sites, and you want to create a blank site from scratch. Pretty much all you need to do here is just get rid of this thing right away and upload the poster you have created on Canva, and make sure to stretch it all across this Google site, so it's going to be all there. Something like this, for example, and then what you want to do is name this website something like, let's go with free viral music download for free, something like that. Then just don't publish this website yet, because what we actually need is some free viral music that we can actually provide for download right here by clicking this button. And for that, what you want to do is just go to a website like mixkit.co. Now pretty much what you want to do is grab yourself some stock music that's going to be completely free and without copyright. This is the most important part. You could actually go ahead and get some MP3s of viral music that's actually trending on Twitter or on Instagram right now, but there's a huge chance that we'll get struck down for copyright violations, so I can't advise you to do that. What you actually can do, and it's completely free and legal, is go to a website like Mixkit, and you want to look for some viral music tracks. So pretty much just go through all of these music tracks, or as many as you possibly want to, go ahead and listen to them and pick some that in your opinion sound a little bit viral-ish. Imagine you're creating a viral video and pick a music that you would like to put in there, because pretty much if it's going to work for you, it's going to work for everybody. So just go through these tracks, listen to them, and then what you want to do is just download some of them that you like the most. You go ahead and grab like 5 or 6 of these, and to download them just simply press this arrow button and it will get downloaded right into your computer, as you can see down here. And just for the sake of this video, I'm going to download a couple of more so I can show you how this actually works. But when I was first testing this method out, I listened to like 20 tracks and picked 6 I liked the most, so I'm going to do the same in this video to show you how this actually works, so you can go ahead and replicate this same process. And pretty much once you download 5 of these tracks, what you want to do is just go back to Google and you want to search for exactly this website, upload/forever. What you want to do is just hit search on that, and you want to go to this first website that has this link, upload/forever.com. You just want to come here and sign up for your free account. Now I'm going to show you how to start a free account from scratch, so you will know all the details. I'm going to sign up for a new account to show you how this works. So pretty much you can either type your username and password and choose your email, or you can go ahead and sign up using either Google, Twitter, or Facebook, or whatever this is. So I'm just going to sign up with one of my Google accounts, and pretty much this is how your dashboard is going to look like. Now pretty much this is the website that will be paying you out, so you want to make sure that you use good information, you use a legitimate account for this. And actually, to show you how this is going to work, I'm going to show you how this website will pay you out. Right here you can see that this website will pay you out if you upload a files onto it and people are going to download it. So pretty much every file that you're going to upload, you can charge a small amount of money, and once somebody is going to download it, you're going to get paid. Now pretty much in most areas this website will pay for 1,000 downloads. So if you're going to upload a file to this website, and for example somebody from tier 1 country like United States or Canada is going to download it, for every 1,000 of these downloads you're going to get paid $7. If somebody from a lower tier countries like Australia is going to download it, you will get paid $4, and also some lower countries will pay you anywhere like $4 or $3 per 1,000 downloads. Now pretty much you may start noticing a pattern right here. We have downloaded free stock music that could go viral, and what you want to do to make some money out of it is just upload it to this website, Upload Forever. Just click on upload files, and what you want to do is pretty much choose a file to upload. So I'm going to upload all the music that I got out of mixkit.co. So pretty much what you want to do is upload your tracks one by one, and if you're having some trouble, make sure to disable your ad block, because for some reason if you have ad block enabled, this website is not functioning very well. And also guys, make sure to not violate these rules right here. Just go ahead and read this on your own and make sure to stay within the rules. Then what you want to do is just upload the track, and in this description just simply go ahead and write the name of the track. For example, this one's called Dance With Me, so I'm going to rewrite it into Dance With Me.mp3. okay, then I'm just going to click on start upload. Then I'm going to pick another one that's called Deep Urban, just going to name it Deep Urban, hit upload, and it gets uploaded to this site. And basically what you want to do is go ahead and do this for all the tracks that you got of Mixkit. Once you upload all these tracks, what you want to do is go back to your dashboard, go to My Files, and now you can actually select a price that you want to charge for each of these tracks. So to do that, just go right here and click on this green pen icon, and it gets you to this section where you can customize the details of the track that you have uploaded. For example, file name of this track is Feeling Happy 5mp3, and the description is going to say feelinghappy.mp3. You can choose to protect your download with password, but I'm not going to do that because we want people to download it as much as possible. And right here comes the magic part. What you want to do is select a price for each of these downloads, but you don't want to go too crazy on this because you actually want people to download this. So for example, I'm going to charge like 50 cents for each of these tracks. So just just go ahead and type in 50 cents and click on submit, and do that for all of these tracks. I'm going to change the price to 50 cents per track, because if you're going to place a price that's a lot higher, people are not going to be doing the downloads. And just for 50 cents, I mean, when's the last time when you paid 50 cents for something just to try it out if it's going to work for you? So around 50 cents is a reasonable amount to charge for these tracks. Now once you finish customizing the price and the description of these tracks that you have uploaded, what you want to do is just go up here, and you can see right here you will get your published files link. Just pretty much go ahead and copy that, then just go back to Google site that you have created with this beautiful Canva poster, and you want to embed this link into this image. So pretty much just select this image and click on this link button, and now this entire poster becomes one clickable button. Now just go ahead and publish this and choose a name for this website accordingly. For example, I'm going with something like this, then just click on publish, and if you go to the website, click on view published website, you can see that this is a simple landing page that you have created that can direct people to your uploaded files, and if they are looking to download some free viral music, they will click on this button, they will be taken to this website where they can choose if they want to free download or premium download this track. If they're going to free download it, they will not pay the 50 cents, but you will get paid $7 for each 1,000 of these downloads. And if they're going to click on premium download, you will get paid the price that you have set for this track. And now you just pretty much need to drive the most amount of relevant traffic to this poster. Now to do that, just simply go ahead and copy its link, and then go to multiple sites. You can use Reddit, Quora, or any other social media out there. I'm going to show you how to do this, for example, for Facebook, so you can go ahead and replicate this process or any other social platform. Just simply go to Facebook and search for free music, hit search on that, and what you want to do is just promote the landing page you have created in these groups. So pretty much go, for example, into this group right here that says royalty free music promotion, and then just go ahead and create a simple post that's going to be something like this. Hey, I have found this source where you can download viral music completely for free. If you're looking for some quality tracks for your project, try it out. Then just simply go ahead and paste the link to your Google landing site in there, and pretty much just post it to Facebook. And in some of these groups it will take some time once your post is going to get approved, but what you want to do is just go ahead and post it to all of these groups that you can find on Facebook. And once you run out of them, you want to do is the exact same thing for Reddit, Quora. You can also go to Facebook and start posting it to posts related to free viral music. That way this landing page will start getting traffic and directing people to your music tracks that you have put for download, and that way you're going to get paid. Now if for some reason if you didn't like this method and you want to learn how to make over $5,000 per month with affiliate marketing without showing your face anywhere on the internet, just go ahead and check out the first link in the video description. Also, if you want to learn more about free traffic sources that you can use to promote affiliate offers and CPA offers as well, check out this video right here. Other than that, I just hope you have a fantastic day, and I'm going to see you next time.